Hi my friends, welcome to another interesting video today. So what you see on your screen is oat milk. This oat milk, I made it all by myself and I'm going to show you how I did it. In the recent, a lot of people have been lactose intolerant, so plant-based milk has always come true. So sit tight and let me show you how I made this oat milk. So I poured a cup of oats inside my blender and I put some like a teaspoon of salt. Then I poured about 3 cups of water in it, and then I put what do you call it, sorry, a teaspoon of vanilla, and that the reason for that is for flavor. Now I blended this mixture for about 20 seconds, not more than 20 seconds, guys, on a high speed, not more than 20 seconds. Okay, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that is just that. That is enough. Then we bring it out and sieve. That is it. You now have your oat milk. With this oat milk, you are not going to experience any form of allergy, maybe due to the contents in animal-based milk. So this is an alternative, a very healthy alternative. And after sieving, if you want to sweeten it with dates or honey or sugar, it is totally up to you. So this is your oat milk, guys. This is how I made my oat milk, because I noticed in the recent time that if I take animal-based milk, I'll be having some kind of tummy ache, tummy disturbance and some bloating and things like that. So plant-based milk has always come true, and that is it. We save it, and that is it. You just feel free and use your milk and love your life. So if you have watched up until this time and if you have not subscribed, click that red button that shows subscribe, click the bell sign. Options will come up. Click the option that says all. That way you will receive all my notifications anytime I post a video. So that's me pouring my milk inside a messenger, and you can now save in the fridge or you can use right away. Guys, this was a game changer. If you have not tried it, just get into your kitchen now, get some oat, and it is just basically 3 ingredients: your oats, a pinch of salt and water, and that's it. That is it, guys. That's milk ready for you. And oat milk in the grocery store, a jar, a container of it, about 300 to 400 ml, about that, is about $6.99. But you can make this with far less than that amount. So let's let's embrace this culture of DIY. Do it yourself, okay? And this is me using my oat milk to make my corn pap. Look at it. And it was very delicious, very yummy. Okay, and I will see you in another video, and make sure you subscribe and leave me a comment. If you have more questions, just leave them in the comment section. If there's any meal or any DIY you want me to do, put it there. If I don't know how to do it, because of you, I will go research and learn how to do it, okay? And I will see you in another video. Please share this video, okay, to encourage others. Let's share the knowledge. Let's share the knowledge. Let's share the updates, just as I have shared with you guys. As soon as you watch this video, share with other people. And that's me enjoying my corn pap with my homemade oat milk. I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.